Well, hi, y'all. I'm here a couple days before my yucky surgery. I want to share with you this item that I found at the Wally World, Walmart, whatever it's called. Can you see that? Let's see. It's called the iFart Shuffle. And here's what I'm taking to the hospital with me. I don't know how this thing aims. Anyway, here's just a sampling for $5 that you get with this iFart Shuffle. And now, if you look, not only does it have a little lanyard holder right here, see this little hoop? But it flips up here. You can change it to a motion sensor. So, like, you can go to the gym and go, I think I said it right. Okay, hang on. Well, I guess if you're boinking, you can do this. Mom! Mom! Or you could switch it back to the manual thingy where you hit the little button. That was a C-130 fart. That was the I had too much cottage cheese fart. Another C-130 airship fart. That was John's fart. Yeah, same thing. Mom! So, get one of these little guys at Walmart. It's called iFart Shuffle. Unless you're too goddamn mature to buy something that for $5 that I'm going to be taking to the hospital from a hysterectomy to freak out all the doctors.